I know you're gonna dig this.
Welcome to Truck and Travel. I'm Darrick.
I'm Cinnamon.
And we just got done doing our switch. I'm taking over. Cinnamon picked up in Ohio, and then this load's headed to what, Alabama?
Alabama.
And where we at?
That wasn't so bad.
Where's this load at, Cinnamon?
I think it's in Richmond, Kentucky. Yeah. I think that's the way you go out, though. Maybe not.
How many pallets and all that? I was asleep when Cinnamon picked this up. How many pallets was it?
2 pallets, 1,060 pounds or something like that.
Yeah. We got roughly 592 miles left of our trip.
Oh, I guess you can go out this way. Yeah, I was following you on the map.
Guess this guy's just like parked off to the side. Yeah, see his tires.
Oh yeah, but there's a.
Yeah, that's a car. Really don't like these kind of areas.
Can you roll down my window? There's this fly. There's that fly Caleb can try and get. Okay. got a lot of awesome wildflowers going on. What are we looking at?
What?
Oh, I was just
Trying to figure out where I gotta go. You got like a little guy on an airplane, T-plane.
I didn't even see that. That's so funny.
Hold on, little buddy.
Isn't it funny how like little things like that make people look at things and like just appreciate it more, I guess? You know?
Sticks in your mind. What's going on?
So the place that we picked up at, it's a place that we go to at least once a week lately. And we usually pick up during the afternoon and stuff or at nighttime. And it'll take a little bit, like they'll say they're ready and, you know, don't open the doors yet, we're ready. And then like an hour and a half later, then they'll be ready or whatever. But actually picking it up this morning, it went pretty fast. Like it didn't take long at all. There was 2 other 53 footers there. And yeah, I got loaded and yeah, I don't know. It was just a very easy load. Like we've done this load a couple of different times and I feel like we end up getting it a lot. But it's nice though because especially with this kind of job, since the only person or people that you usually talk to is your co-driver and then different people at shipping or, you know, receiving places. It's nice to see some people like frequently, you know, so then that way you can kind of get to know them and stuff and it kind of feels like a regular job where you would see your coworkers all the time. But they're very nice there and they're very, I liked it. But I love driving through Kentucky. They have all the like rocks and everything on the side too. We actually saw some trees that were turning orange and yellow.
Already?
So it's starting to, you know, look like fall colors, which Darrick is not happy about because he loves the summer.
Yeah.
And he's I do love the summer, but I guess for the fall, like there's things I like, things I don't or whatever, but I really do like to decorate for the fall and stuff. And I've worked on some like apple butter recently and I love those kinds of things. I don't know. It's exciting just to have a change too.
Sorry, I haven't been talking much. Most of the time when I drive, I'm just trying to keep all my focus on my surroundings, and since I've been getting on the highway, it's been kind of busy. So.
Yeah.
Currently 84 degrees outside.
So having 2 different GPSs, you definitely, if I could ever give a pointer, don't pay attention to what the GPS tells you to do as far as speed limit. Because it was telling me it was 70 and it was 60. Like I looked at the sign myself, like don't ever change your speed until you actually see a sign, because sometimes you'll see everybody speed up and you're like, oh, okay, but if you got pulled over and then like later down the road, you'll be like, no, it's still 55, and like just everybody else, you know, sped up at that point. But if you get pulled over, you can't be like, well, everybody else is going fast, so I thought this is the speed limit, you know. Oh, speaking of, there's a cop pulling out.
Gonna get somebody.
Yeah. But no, having 2 different GPSs, sometimes we'll come across where it'll say that there's the road's closed up ahead or something, and so it's gonna, you know, take you off the path, and it'll take 30 extra minutes, but you'll save 45. And a lot of times I'll ignore that, and there's been a few times I'm like, darn it, Betsy was right, which is what we call, you know, our GPS. But both of them were saying that there was, like, they wanted to reroute me, like, to go around Cincinnati. And I looked and it was only like, I think it took 10 extra minutes or something like that, but it went pretty fast. I didn't have to go through like major construction or anything like that. So I went ahead and did it because both of the GPSs were talking about it. And our bottom one isn't connected to the internet, so sometimes when the top one shows it, it can actually show you if it's red or if it's like really slowed traffic and stuff, because it's going off the information of the cell phone and stuff. So I kind of looked at how many miles it was going to be to start off with the run, or like the loaded miles, and it ended up just being, I think it was only 10 miles more. But it's taking us down I-75. That's what we're on right now in Kentucky. And were you saying that the last time we came here, you don't know if this is the way we came, or?
I thought we went through Louisville,
Like
first.
71?
Whatever that is, yeah.
Huh.
I hate it when people go in front of you and then they slow down.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, thanks for hanging out with us. We're going to try to be more frequent on our videos that come out. Keep you posted what's going on with the truck and the situations and anything that we come across in our life. We appreciate you following along, driving down the road on our little journey called life. Guys, God bless you, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.